Welcome to camp. Welcome to camp. Pre-hunt set up.
Good morning. Ready to go?
You gentlemen ready?
We're ready. You're behind him. Shoot, Ron. I can't find him.
He's coming at this third tree right here. He's coming at the third tree.
Shoot again. Come on, Ron. Just send it.
Working our way up to a special spot where we spotted something. We still have 1,000 more yards to go up that way. Road ended. So we're just gonna get the pickup truck settled in and we'll hike up. Starting out to walk to our first set. I think we're going uphill. It is tough tracking this kind of stuff, but you can't imagine the view. What do you think, Ron? Come here. Talk to me about this.
So, Trent hit a bull on the run. Didn't see exactly how it was hit, but ran into the trees. So we, 4 of us jumped in the trees, started tracking him. We've gone up probably a good 1,000, maybe 1,200 feet elevation, and just the blood's getting thicker.
Still seeing plenty of bloods, which is good.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
exciting to see where this leads. So it's been at it probably about a mile now. Maybe
Yeah, I would say so, with a lot of elevation in there.
So we hope Trent and Anthony, they're about a half or 50, 70 yards ahead of us. They'll find it here soon.
Excellent. Give us your thoughts, Trent.
Bad shot.
Bad shot.
On track.
On track.
Running shots, no good.
Looking for blood. Kind of lost it.
Looking for tracks now. How far have we gone?
3.5 miles.
Yeah, up and down.
Saw another one we're working towards and hike on into. Just making the nasty climb. Well, we didn't find the elk on that blood trail, so we had to quit. And now we're working a new valley, similar to yesterday's look.
Look at that.
All right, what do we got here, Trent? Talk to us. Talk to us, Trent.
6 that we just shot.
Whew. That is
Smells
wonderful.
great, doesn't he?
The boy you seen?
Yeah.
The smaller one.
Tell us about the shot,
This is
Trent.
the smaller one, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
All right, Trent, tell us about the shot.
He peeked over the hill here. Anthony said 320. Shot him in the front here. He turned around. We put one more in him broadside. He
That
rolled
is
back. He didn't go very far.
that is
Unreal.
wonderful.
Didn't go very far at all.
Dude, he was peeking through that gap
Right here. He was looking. He was looking just like this.
That's 6x6.
Nice.
And now comes the fun.
I don't know these guys, so I just met them a couple days ago. It's great. It's just fun seeing. Hell yeah. Worth walking up here. Hell yeah.
I mean, you talk about artists. Look at these.
Yeah, man. He broke cancer like 2 years ago. Yeah.
It's good we didn't drag him up on
Yeah.
All right, this is how you load a big old elk out.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he smells good.
Oh, he looks good.
Ah. Oh, it's been a half-hour hike up this mountain. Great view. Just excited to be here. Day 4, looking to fill our second bull tag. So, I appreciate Anthony and his guiding. He always takes us to the best spots.
And there's our trusty guide, scoping, glassing for the big bulls. Trent, you got anything to say after that nasty hike?
Good workout. 1% better every day.
1% better. We're on the move, baby. Oh, God is great in this. We just did 2 miles, 1.5 miles, 700 feet of elevation to get us to this beautiful promised point. How does it feel, Ron?
It's incredible. It's super cool. Yeah. All worth it. Oh, I see all the way to the mountains. It's incredible.
Worth every penny, gentlemen.
For sure. Yeah, he's kind of. Oh, he's a big bull. Guys, he's broadside right now.
You gotta find him. He's right on that hill. You're looking right at him. Go down a little bit.
We think some bigger animals are going to come out. So right now Ron is just setting up, doing some dry firing on a small elk out there, just to kind of get comfortable. But this is a magnificent vista we're in. Trent was on his phone again. This is the way to elk hunt.
Yeah. More seasoning.
More seasoning.
That's the thing about it.
Alright, here's our second fire of the day while we're up on this beautiful point up here.
Lookout point.
Got some good heat.
Pyro putty.
Just waiting for the action.
That's the one in the open.
That was the open one.
Yeah.
They're really migrating, aren't they?
Yeah, they're moving. He's not bad.
I thought he.
Oh, they're way past him now.
You get him to stop?
They're gonna come at 650.
They're 800. $750.
Look to the opening on the right. There's a big condo. They're going to come out there.
Okay. Yep, they stopped.
Right there, Ron.
Right in the group of trees.
They're still hidden. They're still hidden though.
670.
But they're still hidden. Now they're back in the trees. They're gone again.
They're going to pop out
They
again,
can
Ron.
pop out in this easier one.
To the corner of it right there. That's all I can give you. There's some orange bushes by him.
He's moving right now. Like his antlers. He's fine. He's eating the tree. Yeah, we're ready. Go ahead. Oh, he's a nice bull. Yep. Good shot, Ron. One more. He's dead. Oh, you missed him. Give him another one, Ron.
Take it easy. Yeah, he's walking dead.
He's dead.
He just rolled over.
He's dead.
You are.
Tagged out.
That's a good bull, too.
That's a nice bull.
Good bull.
Well,
yeah, Ron.
Good work, guys.
That's a nice bull.
That was a lot of fun. Anthony did a great job getting us up here.
golly,
No
what
way
a-
we would have seen him. Just all he saw was color. Then he stepped out and we hit him. So.
But what a great smack after that round went off. It just
Drilled
thudded.
him. All right, good work, guys.
That's a good bull, man.
That's a very nice bull. I'm still watching him.
Oh, yeah.
Watching him take his last breath.
How'd you just shut off?
Look for any other elk that run off. But that mother bull.
Sorry, Ron, it wasn't your long shot, but I tell you what.
No, I'm happy.
That's
You
a
know
good
what?
bull, dude.
Day four.
That's what I tell you.
Hey, that's a nice bull. And guess what? We still get to work hard.
Yeah, but we didn't. Anyway,
Yeah, we still get to work hard packing it up.
nothing like walking 50 minutes straight uphill and then.
I don't know how the heck you see him versus
Ron.
Brush.
Come here. See you, Anthony.
See ya.
Nice knowing you. Go get them.
Great.
I'm going this way.
Oh, well, if we don't see you, Trent.
Yeah, it was great, guys. Love you guys. Go get that elk.
Yep. All right.
See ya.
Go tear it up.
See ya.
My descent this morning after we got that elk. Hard to see on video, but it's nearly straight up and down. This is terribly steep, but look at that mountain goat Ron. Hope we don't get video of him coming down fast. So here we are, we trekked down that nasty mountain. There's the kill. There's the killer.
Yeah.
And then as you look up top, that big rock escarpment is where he shot from. So cool.
Yeah, like stab it right there.
So the killer wants to get in there and get his quarter out.
I went in too far.
No, you're good.
Really?
Yep.
Which way do you cut? I'm swinging at you.
That's all good. Yep, you're good. Keep on ahead. In the back.
Yeah. Where?
Wherever you drop it.
That might be right here.
Sean, you don't even have to work out tomorrow. Ron? Feel good? You are sweating. Good thing you're hydrated.